Hey everybody, Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage. Just want to offer a few tips on the multiple offer situation in this early spring market. If it's in a competitive price range, these houses are getting scooped up in a day. The second a house goes on the market, you want to get your pre-approved buyers out there. There's been so many buyers that have missed out on houses because they've waited 1 or 2 days to get out to the house and it's already under agreement. So get out there fast. That's one thing. The other thing is set aggressive dates if you know there's a motivated seller. Some lenders can close in a couple weeks, such as us at Fairway. Make sure you can do that if you have a motivated seller. A faster closing can get that offer accepted. Also, if a buyer is not working with a local lender, an internet lender, make sure you get a backup pre-approval. That will make them stronger from a local lender that everybody knows, likes, and trusts. Also, put more money down at purchase and sale, even if it's a little bit a low down payment. Offer to put down more money at P&S just to show your strength. Call the lender on the pre-approvals to get reassurance. There's just been some different things that I've seen over the last couple of weeks and just ways we've been helping our buyers get their offers accepted. So good luck in this happy spring market. Be sure to join us for our Lunch and Learn on March 15th, and be sure to reach out to us if you need help with your open houses or any pre-approved buyers. Email the Bill Murphy team.